morning, this is Meghna and you are watching AJU TV. Let's have a look at today's headlines. Kite Festival was celebrated at Arka Jain University on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. Blood donation camp was organized in the university to make the youth aware about the importance of donating blood. Ranbhoomi, a mega annual sports meet, was organized at Arka Jain University. Arka Jain University honored retired soldiers by organizing India's Fearless on the occasion of Army Day. Arka Jain University signed MOU with NTTF today to jointly start vocational programs. Kite Kranti, a 3-day kite festival, was celebrated at Arka Jain University, which included events such as kite making, kite designing and kite-themed fashion show. Our correspondent Megha Mukherjee is present at the venue and will give a live overview about the event. So let's go to Megha now.
Right now I am in Arka Jain University in which Kite Kranti is being celebrated in association with La Gravita, co-sponsor Talwakar Gym. This is the first time this event is taking place there, in which n number of competitions are there, such as kite making, kite designing, quiz and fashion show. Not only the students, but to boost their encouragement, the teachers are also taking participation. And the most eye-candy part of this competition and this event is the encouragement of the teachers. Not only the teachers are also coming and inculcating their own participation here.
As Kite Kranti was a 2-day event, on the first day, kite making and quiz took place. Active participation of the student and professor was evident. On the second day, fashion show and kite making was on the list. Fashion show was the major limelight of the event, in which students not only showed their fashion sense but also gave intellectual answers to the judges. And the event wrapped up by the enthusiastic dance performance by the students on the beats of DJ Amit.
How was your excitement about the event?
It was really good, and you see the excitement and everything, colorful, cheerness, and people are cheerful.
Did you participate in any of the events?
I did, and kite flying was there. Then I was also seeing the ramp walk. It was quite good.
So, did you enjoy the event?
Yes, I did.
The students' excitement is in the sky high as there's an open dance organized है. मैं मेघा मुखर्जी, कैमरामैन हिमांशु वधावन के साथ आरका जैन यूनिवर्सिटी.
A blood donation camp was organized at Arka Jain University with the motive to educate the students about the importance of blood donation. Let's have a look at the special report by our campus correspondents Barkha Singh and Rajkumar. We'll be back with more news after a short break. Keep watching AJU TV.
What happened? Why are you sad? Look at my frizzy hair. Use Sparkle Hair Dryer. To give your hair a shiny look, use Sparkle Hair Dryer.
A 3-day mega sports event was organized at the university campus. I had a good time interacting with the students participating in Ranbhoomi. Here are a few glimpses of my interaction with them.
Is this your first Ranbhoomi?
This is my second Ranbhoomi.
Okay, and did you participate?
Yes, I have participated in 2 team events and 1 individual.
Okay, and have you played any games yet?
We were supposed to play a volleyball match today, but unfortunately the BCA team back off, so we are getting an walkover.
Are you participating in any game?
Yes, I am participating in cricket.
Okay, and when is that? Have you played it yet?
Match will be on tomorrow.
And have you played any games yet?
Yeah, my basketball game was there against the Polytechnic third year. They were a very phenomenal team. They have been the champion of the past 2 years. And I am very privileged enough to play against them. Though we lost them unfortunately, but I am very happy and satisfied with my team performance.
To honor the retired soldiers, India's Fearless was organized in the university campus. The soldiers shared their stories from the battlefield and inspired the students.
जो आर्मी से जो लोग आए हैं उनका मैं अपने जैन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन की तरफ से अर्का जैन यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से आपका स्वागत करते हैं। कि जितना हमारे हिस्से ये मुल्क है उससे ज्यादा आपके हिस्से हैं। ये आप पर डिपेंड करता है कि आप क्या दे सकते हो इस देश को।
That's all for today's news. We'll be back again with more news stories. This is Meghna Datta signing off. Keep watching AGU TV.
Arka Jain University, the leading university of Jharkhand.